Okay, good day. I am from Excel Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
My auntie, ma'am, my relative of my mother-in-law, I'm in Kuala Lumpur, ma'am.
Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Please remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet your family members. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Menchio Banya. I am 41 years old from San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Um, I was born on July 15, 1983. Um, I have live-in partner. I have two kids, 14 years old and 6 years old. I am college level and
Okay. Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Okay, what is your height and your weight?
I am 65 kilo and my height is 5 flat.
Okay, what is your religion?
I am Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic or Christian?
Catholic po, ma'am.
You are Menchi Obanya, right?
Opo.
Okay, is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Okay, do you know what are you up to?
Yes, ma'am.
You will be working as a domestic helper, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You will
Yes, ma'am.
going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. They
How
allowed
many
me.
brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother.
You only
One
have
only.
brother.
Yes, ma'am.
Are
We
you
are
the
two only.
eldest?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what
I'm the
about your
eldest.
parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father was died last 2022, and I have my mother now. She is 72 years old now.
Okay, what about your live-in partner? What does he do for a living? What is his
He,
occupation?
he is a on-call driver.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 41 years old, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take care of your children?
Ma'am,
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
if my husband don't have work, he is take care of my children and also my mother-in-law.
Okay. So in your bio data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2001 to 2009 as what?
Factory worker, ma'am.
Factory worker for 8 years.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
After 2009, do you have any working experience?
I don't have ma'am because I take good care of my children, ma'am.
So 2009 until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you gonna convince the employer that you know how to do the chores or why they should hire you because you don't have any working experience as a stay-in maid?
Um, I know how to do household chores like washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, and cooking also. And I know how to take care of my baby because I take care my own baby since I give birth to them.
Okay. So you must know also that being a domestic helper is very tough, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is very big, so there is no joke. Employers here
Yes.
is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to
Yes, ma'am.
fasten your seatbelt. Being a domestic helper is not so easy. You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am. I will take care of the baby.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine or what foods or
Filipino,
dishes you can prepare?
Filipino, Filipino food, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn how to cook the Malaysian food.
Okay, good. So can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As I have mentioned, you will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay?
3 years, ma'am.
Once you will going to sign a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, you will going to work quite far away from your family. How will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will focus on my duties and responsibility, and I will make busy myself
Okay.
doing household.
Okay. So are you aware that you are not allowed to use your phone during working time or you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, okay? Because
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
working. But rather than you can hold it during night time only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay for me.
Okay, we wanted to be specific in our initial interview. As I have mentioned many times, it's quite many times, okay? It's a lot of
Yes.
many times that I told in our initial interview that we don't force people to come here, okay? It's either
Yes.
you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. Don't give us problem. Work properly, work harder, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines and don't apply to other countries if you don't know how to follow the rules and regulations also and if you don't agree, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So no problem, ah?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. You wanted to sustain your family's needs because you wanted to give them a better future ahead, okay? And you wanted to
Yes.
earn so that you have your goals also in your life. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the culture also of the employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia is the safest country.
Safest country. How you know that Malaysia is the safest country?
My auntie say that to me, ma'am. And I saw in the YouTube channel, they
Okay.
said that always.
Okay. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Menchi. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Exil agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much
very
and
much.
have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.